Piece that thing.
I started with a 24x18 piece of OSB and I attached a flange to it. Use an adapter to connect a 5-foot piece of PVC to the flange, like so. Then I got a T for the top to branch out for the arms. The arms are two 6-inch pieces of PVC with two 90-degree elbows on the end. Then I attached two 1.5-foot pieces of PVC for the arms, and I put this pitiful looking hand on the end. Next, I reinforced the PVC with 2x4s. You're gonna need to do this because the weight of the monster mudded sheets is pretty heavy. Next, grab some chicken wire to create the shape of the body, the sleeve, and the hood. I'm gonna start out, it's 2 sections of chicken wire pinched together, and then another section for the sleeve, and I pinched that to the body. And then we made the hood on top and pinched that all together for one big section. I'm gonna try a light inside the hood to see if we can illuminate this thing. Run the plug down and out the back of the chicken wire. Monster Mud is a mixture of joint compound and black exterior latex paint. You're also gonna need to get one of these egg beater mixers to attach to a drill. Do yourself a favor and buy one of these. So the mixture is 5 parts of joint compound to 1 part latex paint. We're gonna use exterior latex paint so it can hold up to the weather. And at the end of this, once it dries, I'm gonna hit it with a layer of Thompson's water seal. Okay, so we're using 3 bed sheets for this thing that I bought at Goodwill for cheap. You're gonna dip them into the Monster Mud and then wring out the excess. Keep going through until your sheet is totally covered. Okay, now the first sheet we're gonna lay on this thing is gonna be the majority of the body. So they'll go over the shoulder and under the arm. You see me, I'm touching up spots that you can still see the sheet with the Monster Mud. Second piece is over the arm and then back over the same shoulder. And the third piece is for the hood. I'm sorry, but that first hand had to go. Let's upgrade it to this one. I'm gonna attach this by shooting some spray foam into the PVC pipe by his wrist, waiting for it to dry, and then hitting it up with some spray paint. You also wanna hit some black spray paint inside the hood to cover up any chicken wire or exposed PVC. Took some of this spooky material and dipped it in the Monster Mud, covered it up so you can't see the PVC pipe at his wrist. Let's accessorize with this sickle, or whatever the hell it's called. So the old prop I used, this was the face from it. So I thought, what the hell? Let's throw it in there. Let's see how it looks. And now you have your finished Monster Mud Reaper. Let's light them up. So you got options. You can go with face and the light inside the hood, without face and light inside the hood, or no light inside the hood at all.
Piece that thing.